Baby sleep basics. Tips and tricks for better sleep. Is your baby waking up too often at night or taking short naps? Here are some helpful tips to improve their sleep. Establish a consistent bedtime and nap routine, including calming activities in the same order every night. Create a sleep environment that is dark, quiet, free of distractions. Use room darkening shades and a white noise machine. Avoid keeping your baby up for longer periods during the day. A well-rested baby is more likely to sleep longer stretches at night. Don't be afraid of an early bedtime. Babies who sleep more before midnight tend to sleep longer stretches overnight. Give any new changes at least 3 days to work. When working on independent sleep, give your baby an extra minute or two to settle themselves back to sleep. Improving your baby's sleep environment, routine, and schedule can often address sleep issues. Sleep environment. Routine. Schedule. Stay consistent and give it time before trying more advanced solutions. Use the magic link in the first comment to get the best products for your baby.